Marriott Hotel, City Center.
Hi everyone. Good evening to all of you there
To all of you there at Doha, Qatar.
and all over the world
Yes, and over the sky.
and over the sea.
And over the rainbow.
What is that rather? That the sound
That is
that's
tick-tick.
from tires?
No?
Labrador, we are going to Marriott Hotel near in city center. Ah,
He's invited my family to come there in
yeah,
the
that one.
Marriott Hotel at City Center
They are
because
going to US now.
they're going to, how many days he going to US now? So, good luck to her. And,
Inaanak.
and my inaanak, God bless to her. Maybe next month I'm going also to Canada and to Sweden.
Shout out to Ining Juliet family, Victor Namon, Philip, and
Thank
shout
you.
out all over the world.
So I'm here now at the corner. Paano na